So, ang first topic for the new year is if function, basic function ng if. And meron itong three parts. So, yung logical test. And this is answerable by true or false. So, mga examples, if A2 is equals to 1, if today function is, example, January 1, 2025, or if yung value sa A2 is text. And then, yung value if true, yung desired nyo value, if ang sagot sa question dun sa logical test is true. And then, if value false, yung desired nyo value if yung sagot dito is false. And these are the examples. Basic example is text. So, example is if yung score is greater than or equal to 75, and then ang gusto kong value niya is pass. If not, then fail. And then extend lang natin yung formula, and there you go. So 84, again 75 and above is passing, and then 75 below 75 is fail. Another option is through cell reference. So using the same example, so again, if 75 and above is pass, and nandito siya sa cell na to, and then 75 or below 75 is fail. So if itong cell na to is greater than or equal to 75, then ang value niya is itong cell na to, and then ilock lang natin yan. Ang value niya pag false is itong cell na to, ilock din natin yan, and then enter. And again, i-drag lang natin yung formula hanggang baba, and there we go. Another option is through formula. So in this example, pag may discount, mayroong 10% discount dun sa price. So ang magiging formula natin is if itong cell na to sa C2 is yes, meaning may discount. So ang value niya will be yung price minus yung 10% ng price. And kapag false, of course, yung price lang without discount. Enter, and there you go. And then extend lang agad, and then ulit yung formula. And then another option is through function. So in this example, meron tayong product, and then yung type niya, if it's gold or silver. And then of course, may table tayo ng prices. What will be the prices if yung example, yung ring is gold, and then what will be the price if it's silver. So the formula will be if C2 type is equals to gold, then ang gusto kong mangyari is X lookup yung product. Ang hahanapin niya dito, lock lang natin yan. Ang value ni return niya is, since this is gold, dito tayo sa gold na column, lock lang din natin yan. And then ang value naman niya pag false is, of course, nasa silver na siya. So X lookup again yung product, same yung array, pero ang lookup or yung return array niya is yung silver column. Close lang natin yan, and then isang pang close parenthesis para i-close yung if function na formula. Enter, and there we go, and then extend lang ulit natin pababa.